This is a case study of a custom Mitsubishi HVAC installation in Boise, Idaho by Peppy Heating and Cooling. Lisa H., a Boise homeowner, sought to replace her home's HVAC system with a custom Mitsubishi solution. Peppy Heating and Cooling designed a system to meet Lisa's needs and provide year-round comfort. The challenge? Lisa wanted to switch to an environmentally friendly all-electric heat pump system to replace her old natural gas system. In addition, her bonus room was difficult to heat and cool, and she wanted a solution for that problem too. The solution? Peppy Heating and Cooling proposed a custom Mitsubishi HVAC system that included Mitsubishi SVZ36 Air Handler for the downstairs, providing efficient heating and cooling, Mitsubishi MLZ09 ceiling cassette for the bonus room upstairs, ensuring optimal comfort, Mitsubishi ducted heat pump outdoor unit, acting as the central hub of the system. The benefits? Reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills, environmentally friendly operation, year-round comfort, zone temperature control, quiet operation, sleek and unobtrusive design. Summary of a successful Boise HVAC system installation: Peppy Heating and Cooling's custom Mitsubishi HVAC system effectively addressed Lisa's concerns and aligned with her commitment to environmental responsibility. Lisa was highly satisfied with the outcome and recommended Peppy Heating and Cooling to others seeking a reliable and efficient HVAC solution. For the full details of this case study, including a downloadable version, please go to callpeppy.com/CS1.